Hey there, WealthWalk family. Today I'm going to show you an incredible way to earn up to $7 every minute through a completely automated passive income system. The best part? You can receive payments directly into your PayPal account, crypto wallet, or straight to your bank account. So even if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can still withdraw your earnings to your local bank. Let's dive into this amazing opportunity. Starting your journey with free images. The first step in our passive income journey begins with a fantastic resource called Unsplash. This platform offers an incredible collection of over 5 million premium quality images, videos, and music tracks that you can use completely free of charge. But don't worry, we're not here to sell pictures. Instead, we'll use these images to create our passive income system that can generate $7 every minute on Autopilot. Head over to Unsplash and create your free account. Once you're in, search for dog in the search bar. You'll find countless adorable dog images. Here's the key. Look for photos featuring single dogs, either standing or sitting. These solo shots are perfect for our passive income strategy. When you find an image you like, click the download button and select the highest resolution available. Save it to your device. I recommend downloading between 5 to 10 images of various pets, dogs, cats, birds, and any other popular pets you can think of. If you want more variety, you can also check out alternative platforms like Pixels or Pixabay. They all offer high-quality, free-to-use pet images that are perfect for our business model. What makes these platforms particularly valuable for our business is their extensive library of professional-quality pet photography. You'll want to focus on images that showcase pets in natural, engaging poses. Look for clear, well-lit photographs where the pet's features are distinctly visible. These images will serve as perfect examples to show potential customers what their custom products could look like. When selecting your images, consider seasonal variations too. Download photos of pets wearing holiday accessories or in seasonal settings. Think Santa hats for Christmas, autumn leaves for fall, or sunny beach backgrounds for summer products. This variety will allow you to create themed collections throughout the year, maximizing your sales potential during peak shopping seasons. Another pro tip: pay attention to the emotional quality of the images. Photos where pets are making direct eye contact with the camera often perform better, as they create an immediate emotional connection with potential buyers. Also, consider downloading a mix of both professional studio-style shots and natural, candid moments. This diversity will help you appeal to different customer preferences and showcase the versatility of your customization options. Remember, while these images will serve as templates for your store, they're just the beginning. Your actual customers will provide their own pet photos, but having these high-quality sample images will help you create attractive listings that draw customers to your shop in the first place. The power of custom pet products. Now let me show you why we're collecting these pet images. There's a thriving online market for personalized pet merchandise, custom phone cases, t-shirts, pillows, mugs, blankets, and portraits, all featuring beloved pets. The brilliant part about this business model is that you don't need to create the images yourself. Your customers will provide their pet photos, and you'll use a print-on-demand service called Printify to handle the printing and shipping. Here's what makes this business model so attractive. You don't need to invest any money up front with Printify. They simply take their share from each sale to cover printing and shipping costs. It's a perfect win-win arrangement. Some successful shops are generating over $3,000 daily by selling products they never have to create or ship themselves. Understanding print-on-demand. This business model is known as print-on-demand, a variation of dropshipping that focuses on customizable products like mugs, phone cases, and t-shirts. You create product listings using sample images and designs, then partner with suppliers like Printify, who provide white-label products ready for customization. The best part is that Printify integrates seamlessly with major marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, making the entire process incredibly straightforward. When a customer orders a custom pet product, they'll send you their pet's photo. You simply upload their photo to the product template, and Printify handles everything else: printing, shipping, and delivery. You never have to deal with inventory, shipping materials, or logistics. Getting started with Printify. The second major step is setting up your Printify account. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will show various options for starting your print-on-demand journey. Begin by clicking My New Store. and selecting Add a new store. You'll see options to connect with various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Walmart, or even create a Printify pop-up store. After connecting your preferred platform, explore the catalog section. You'll find an extensive range of customizable products. Looking at successful shops in this niche, we can see they focus on phone cases, pillows, mugs, and t-shirts. Let's start with phone cases, as they're particularly popular. When choosing your platform, consider your target market and geographical location. Etsy, for example, has a strong presence in North America and Europe, making it ideal if you're targeting these regions. TikTok Shop is rapidly growing in popularity among younger demographics, while eBay offers a global reach that's hard to match. If you're just starting out, you might want to begin with the Printify pop-up store option, as it allows you to test the waters with minimal setup required. Each platform has its own fee structure and audience expectations, so take some time to research these aspects before making your final decision. For instance, Etsy charges a small listing fee, but gives you access to a built-in audience of craft and custom product enthusiasts, while Shopify requires a monthly subscription, but gives you more control over your brand and customer experience. Creating your first product, select a phone case design from the catalog. I recommend choosing from the top 3 options as they're the best sellers. You'll see various mock-ups of your chosen phone case. Click Start Designing Products to begin customizing. This is where those pet images we downloaded come into play. Upload your first dog image using the Upload button. Now here's a pro tip. Most successful pet product stores use images with clean, removed backgrounds. Fortunately, Printify includes a background removal tool. Click the background remover icon and either manually erase the background or use the Quick Remove option. After applying the changes, position your image carefully on the phone case template, ensuring it extends to the proper boundaries for a professional look. Adding text and using AI tools. To enhance your design, add some text using the Text tool. Choose an appealing font and position it above the pet image. You might add a sample name like Caesar to show customers how their pet's name would appear. Printify also offers an AI image generator tool, which can create custom pet images based on text descriptions. This can be particularly useful for creating sample products or variations. The AI tool allows you to select different styles. Photographic style works best for realistic pet products. Enter detailed prompts for better results, such as friendly dog on white background. The generator creates high-quality images perfect for your product mock-ups. Building your product line. Once you're satisfied with your design, preview it from multiple angles to ensure everything looks perfect. You can always go back and edit if needed. Save your design to your Printify account under My Products. Repeat this process to create a diverse catalog of pet-themed products. The real beauty of this system is its automation. Once you've connected your online shop to Printify, orders flow automatically from your store to Printify's production system. They handle printing, shipping, and customer delivery, while you collect the profits after their production costs are deducted. Maximizing your success. Price your items strategically, anywhere from $7 to $20, depending on your market research and target audience. Many successful shops in this niche have sold over 180,000 items. Even with an average price of $10 per item, you can see how the profits add up to significant amounts. Don't worry if certain platforms aren't available in your country. Redbubble, for example, accepts sellers from almost every country, including India. Amazon and eBay are also excellent alternatives. This business model is particularly relevant for 2024 and beyond, with opportunities to capitalize on seasonal trends like Christmas-themed pet products. Remember, this is one of the most accessible passive income opportunities available today. With zero upfront investment, you can start building a profitable online business using just your creativity and these free tools. Start your journey today, and you could be earning passive income within months. Take action now by registering with Printify and begin creating your custom pet product empire. The sooner you start, the sooner you can join the ranks of successful print-on-demand entrepreneurs making money while they sleep.